Your feet tell your story. And when cracked heels appear, they whisper tales of neglect, exhaustion, and hidden pain. But what if I told you that two of the simplest ingredients, Vaseline and coconut oil, can restore your feet back to softness, just like ancient beauty secrets passed down for generations? Stay with me till the end, because I'll share 3 powerful recipes that not only heal your heels, but also protect them for good. Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, locks in moisture like a shield. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is nature's secret in fatty acids, antifungal, and soothing. Together, they don't just soften skin, they repair it, layer by layer. But the secret lies in how you use them. Recipe 1. The classic overnight wrap. This is the simplest, yet most effective remedy. Warm a spoonful of coconut oil, massage it into your heels, then seal the moisture with a thick layer of Vaseline. Now, here's the trick. Slip on a pair of cotton socks before bed. Overnight, your heels drink in the goodness. By morning, they feel as if they've been kissed by silk. Recipe 2. The ancient scrub balm. Now, let's take inspiration from old village remedies. In many cultures, people mix natural oils with exfoliating grains to heal the toughest cracks. Here's how to recreate it. 1 spoon Vaseline, 1 spoon coconut oil, 1 spoon rice flour or sugar. Mix until it forms a grainy paste. Massage this onto your heels for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Not only does it heal, but it also removes dead skin so your feet glow with health. Recipe 3. The healing herbal infusion. This one feels like a ritual. Melt 2 spoons of coconut oil, add 1 spoon of Vaseline, and stir in a pinch of turmeric or neem powder, ancient herbs known for their antibacterial magic. Apply this golden balm to your heels at night. It doesn't just heal cracks, it prevents infection, so your feet stay healthy and strong. Cracked heels aren't just a cosmetic issue, they're a call for care. And these recipes, simple yet powerful, have healed countless feet before ours. Try one tonight, and you'll see the difference by morning. Now tell me in the comments, which recipe will you try first? The overnight wrap, the ancient scrub, or the healing herbal balm? Because your feet deserve the same care you give your face. And sometimes, the simplest remedies are the most powerful.